In the era of information overload, investors are inundated with thousands of business plans every day. How to quickly and accurately sift through this complex information and identify potential investment opportunities has become a significant challenge for investors. Today, I want to introduce you to a powerful tool that could help investors efficiently analyze business plans. Deep Research. Deep Research is an open and free AI tool. One of its biggest advantages is that it requires no registration, saving investors a lot of time and effort. Normally, analyzing a business plan would take at least 3 to 4 hours. Book Deep Research. You only need a few minutes. Image. Now you have a business plan and want to analyze its core competence. Read roughly about its market and enter point, core technology, business model, and the team. Simply type some key information in the second box, then click the Start button. The system will first break down your request into key components to confirm the direction of the analysis. Then, it will generate a report outline for you. You can adjust this outline as needed to ensure that the analysis fully meets your requirements. Then I will generate a professional 6,000 words report based on the outline, providing comprehensive and accurate content. The report will cover key aspects, such as the company overview, business model analysis, technological differences, marketing competition analysis, and challenges and opportunities, giving you a comprehensive understanding of the target company's market competitiveness in a short amount of time. Through problem fine-tuning and by using public and private data, Deep Research conducts in-depth analysis, ultimately generating a core competitiveness report that helps you quickly identify potential investment opportunities. Many well-known investment institutions have already started using Deep Research and have given it high praise. They all agreed that this tool has significantly improved the efficiency and accuracy of investment decision-making, making the entire analysis process more scientific, systematic, and efficient. Click the link below and try it now.